Hi everybody, it's Mike from Usually Broken Cars. I'm at March's Cars and Coffee Meet. I've had a few glasses of red wine and a belly full of Korean Army stew, so let's go and review this month's Cars and Coffee Meet. Let's go and see what's in the yard. First up, just a quick glance at Rich's EP3. For those that know, I had one of those in that colour and I absolutely love that car and I miss it and I regret selling it. Next we've got a 36, I'm guessing it's a 328i, absolutely lovely condition. It's mad, you could get them for next to nothing a few years back and now all of a sudden they're demanding such a high price, but it's such a great looking car. Absolute animal.
Yeah, get him in.
So the Alpha coming up, it's got I think they're a 2.5 V6 Busso. Possibly one of the best sounding engines, but give me an Alpha 155 Ti with that engine and I'll be happy. Cloverleaf badge just sets it off a treat. Next we've got Mr. Bradley Senior. So this is his new whip. He sold his 335D, bought himself a stunning looking Jag, and it is serious 500 horsepower. His son's got the pretty mental Megane, which we've seen a few times now and I'm hoping to get on the channel soon. That is one handsome little pupper, right? Unfortunately, one of our regulars, Paul, was knocked off of his last bike, so he treated himself to a new Triumph, and that's a good shout to me. Heems's M3, absolutely fantastic motor, and I promise you I will get a review of this over the summer. I'm just waiting for another camera, guys. As soon as I've got it, we're going to start doing some reviews. This was Pistonhead's car of the month that they brought down to us. Don't think I've ever seen a real Caterham Super 7 before. Or I say Super 7, Lotus 7, whatever it is, Caterham. But lovely inside, pretty cool looking motor.
Today I'ma wake up a new man, driving a new road, develop a new plan. I'll never be blue, man, whatever the view, man. Go to a new beach, get me a new tan. I'ma write down every single thought that goes on my wall. I win, I never fall. I've been gone for a minute, yeah, I had to be free.
So Aaron, the director of Jackson & Phillips, the site that we use, this is one of his dearest friends' motors, and it's got some seriously cool JDM goodies, including Jay's Racing and Arc on the motor. And Aaron had it in for some work, so we figured let's get it out and have a look at it. And obviously people hopefully have been watching my restoration of a 924. There's his big brother, or a younger brother, the 944, and this is a lovely little Mini. I don't really like them a great deal, but they've sort of, since we've done Cars and Coffee, I've really gained a bit of love for them. And this is something I've never actually seen in the flesh, and unfortunately I didn't get a lot of opportunity to look at it that much. But it's such a great looking car, and it was kind of like Alpha's version of the Lotus Elise. And yeah, really pretty motor. Another great looking Mini. This time this one's got some proper aggressive tyres on the front end of it, and the engine bay's looking really smart. It's got some proper aggressive tyres on it too. This thing was friggin' awesome. Couple of buckets, massive great front mount intercooler. You know that this thing is going to be savage down the road. I didn't get a chance to talk to the owner, but I'd like to. I'd love an 8.6 as well. And bizarrely as well, I kind of like the idea of a Mini Cooper now. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of cars out there that I don't really want to have a go in at the minute. I'd like to think this big boy's name was Brutus. And I feel like this little puppy's probably a Daisy. I don't know who brings a bright orange Lamborghini to Cars and Coffee, but thank you whoever it was. It's really cool.
You've been watching the Porsche series. New one comes out tonight.
Big Zams featured bagged Benz, making the perfect shop for us this week, and it just oozes cool. End of. Oozes cool. If anybody does want to support Leighton Buzzard Cars and Coffee, they're more than welcome to hit us up. We can post merch out to whoever wants it. We got t-shirts, hats, hoodies, beanies, all sorts. Let us know. I can never remember if these are teledials or telespeeds, but either way they look fantastic on this Mark 1 Golf. She's a little bit beat up, but still a great cool car. And again, I've said it before, I'll say it again, I won't have a bad word said against an iGo. They're great little motors. Corsa VXR, yeah. But on a serious note, they are actually a proper pocket rocket. They understeer like mad, but such a great little car, and a real surprise from Vauxhall when they came out. 2JZ, no shit, right? Another handsome pupper. I think this one was Sean's. This was not what I expected the local priest to be turning up in. The guy that runs one of the churches in the area popped down. He's a real nice guy, really sound. I'm not a religious man myself, but my God, this thing is cool as. And the owner, really friendly, and you know, opened it up for me. I never even clocked this when I was looking at it. It's got like hula girls on the roof, the piston gear shifter. It's got a 2-litre Pinto, originally had a Ford V8 in it, but no, seriously cool motor and so clean, and currently for sale if you are looking for one. And I really like the wooden truck bed on the back, the secure lockbox in the back for a bit of storage as well, but make a good toolkit, I suppose. So I've asked Jenny to just tell us a bit about her VW camper van. She's been promising to bring it down for months, so this is Bert.
Hi everyone, I'm Jenny, this is Bert. I've had Bert for 20 years and I've only had him back 4 weeks now, thanks to Kevin from the Dove Cave. Big shout out to them for doing some amazing work and getting him nice and shiny, and yeah, let the fun begin. We've got Peter all back together inside, and then we're good to go.
What Jen negated to mention was it was actually being restored in Belgium and had been there for a couple of years. But seriously, I mean, very impressed, very good looking motor. So like I say, do me a subscribe guys. Thanks for watching this month's video. It really does make the difference to me. Find us on Leighton Buzzard Cars and Coffee on Facebook. You can find me on Instagram, usually Broken Cars, and Leighton Buzzard Cars and Coffee. Thanks again guys, see you next month. Bye!